Hello, it's Nicholas Tan from Affiliate Marketing Info Channel. Today I want to review and discuss four different program you can sign up for free, and you also can get a recurring commissions. Plus, you can learn high ticket commissions that is you can get paid over $100. So let's take a look. The first program is Affiliate Walmart. This is the first web program I highly recommend you can sign up for free. Where don't worry, I will put all the links in the description. You can sign up for yourself because you will it is free to join, and also they have multiple programs for you to for sale. That means you can learn multiple commissions of every person you earn on it. You will get 15% commissions on each membership you refer to. So let's take a look. Because why I recommend you can promote this because a follow Walmart when you Google on Google the follow Walmart is created by seven figure. I think it is seven or even now is 8 figure and internet successful internet marketer whose name is Mark Lin. This is the CEO and the CEO or founder of Affiliate Walmart. And you will see when they sign up, you will get a website. There is a ton of affiliate marketing lesson. When your business can sign up for free, and also to much more free and lesson about affiliate marketing. Also, they also have some you can also make other information commission from this free product. Let's take a look at the first product. The first product I recommend you can party promote it is affiliate jetpack. Affiliate jetpack is very business in a box because you will get four components. Four components you can promote for this. What is the four components? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make a more make more commission. The first component you will get over 19 expertly draft email decided to build trust and make sales. When you build your list, you have to send email, but you have to write. If you are new and struggle how to write email, they have preloaded over 19 email in their autoresponder, and then when they sign up and the email will follow up with your lead over 19 in over 19 email. This is over. I think it's over at least over 3 months to 6 months because they don't have to email everyone. They will stop for a while, 2 or 3 days, and also will send another email. So it is not. It is over. The period is longer than 3 periods. It is over. If you outsource this email, you will cost a lot of money for each email. But you will in this program you will get over 90 email. And the second component you just have the bit that is you have to give something for free. You will have the free. You just only not one. You just also you will get free exciting and super be written free report. If you outsource the free report to someone that you will cost you at least $100. But free it will also at least $300. But you will get free free report to give away, and also to get more list subscribe to your to your autoresponder, and then the email will follow up for you. And the component fee, it is a beautiful website. This is built for you. This is with just a click of just a couple of clicks. This is also built on the WordPress. WordPress is the most common form for the website. You can find it. You will pre-build this, and also this is just one click. Built on WordPress, installed it with a full theme. This is also, I think it is the full winner. Is their customer theme by a full farmer. There is also included 12-month hosting, built-in header. This is your own website. This is also very awesome. under component 4, you will get 20 contact chipset. This is also if you outsource all of this, it will also cost you much money. But you will get this in this package. You will also get better quality for less cost. You can outsource much easier, and also you can write it for article, blog post. This is also for use to outsource to hundreds. You can write it for the hundreds. They also have access their talents writer inside the members area. Not only you will also get into their over about is 18 highly profitable niche. If you also know most of the marketer will mainly in free niches make money online and self help, or something they call it is personal development or talk or self health and fitness. But you can over 50 you will cost 997. It's high ticket. You will also get bath. This is also $23. This is also another product is pathways to passive income. This also have their tools are full model. This is also how to improve your search engine ranking. You just try it for free, but after I'm not exactly know how long it will take. And after the trial, they will charge your customer a monthly fee. This is also you will promote it once and also get paid for month after month. The second a program I will highly recommend you can use. This is backlink based. This is about if you know how to build your backlink, you will get more higher ranking in your Google. If you can higher my ranking you Google page 1, you will get more organic traffic into your site. And this tool you will first $7. You will try it for first $7, and after then they will charge $67 per month, or you can or they can get a one-time payment for $397. But they will get 15% off discount. No matter which option they decided to pick this up, you will get monthly income, and also you will get a one-time high ticket commission, 397 maybe, and you get 15%. You will will get almost $200 for one-time payment. But it if you want to promote it, you will have to log in the members area in the ClickBank. Account ClickBank is free to sign. When you sign up, you will have to it is very tricky and simple. I don't have waste time to explain. You just and log in, sign up, and follow the step, and you will sign up for free. And you have when you find product and type the word backlink based, and you will get this. When you click this button promo, and then it will pop up window something like that. This is also let's take a look and wait a second, because my and you can see my account nickname. When you click this button create your hop link, you will instantly to see this the hop link specially for ClickBank. You will click this link and you will start to promote this offer. And the third program I highly recommend you is Median Society Affiliate Center. What I likely is because it is also ClickBank. Just when you sign up with ClickBank, you just simply to put in your ClickBank ID, and then you will rock and roll and go to promote this product. And you will expect to learn over $200 average commissions per sale over the life of your commission, and you will get 15% commission that is set at ClickBank. Also, what I like is because what I like is you could promote it, because if you are new and new to affiliate marketing, they also have different method to teach you how to market their products. You will also Facebook, Twitter, Fiverr, email, mobile ads, article, banner, classifier, and media buying, signature, pay-per-click study. This is also something like Google, Facebook, or Bing, solo ad. This is also another very the easiest way to pay method. Facebook then you will get then you will get all of them in the video watch video you will teach you how to when you download and also you can download this marketing kit they will teach you how to do this. This is very newbie friendly. You will if you are new to affiliate marketing and don't know how to market, it is also a good place for you to get started. And the last program I highly recommend you can go to it is also is CB Superstar. GP Superstar you will also possibilities you can get a high ticket commissions up to $1,000 commissions. This is pretty awesome. It is because you are promoting the hottest product in town. What and they when you scroll down the sales page affiliate trail you will this is also a clickbait products you will the first product you will get 19 and 95 cents you will get 75 commissions also they have different upsell for you to but if you and also they will have a chance to get into the workshop. This is our evergreen webinar when you when the visitor when the visitor join this webinar and also to join this successful program, this is $199 or they will pay 12 month. This is a month 12 month for $197 per month, and you will get 15% commissions. And if you they don't buy it, and also they would have a $1 trial, and then we will charge for $12 and $197 per month. You will get all of this 15% included. Not only you will get a recurring income, this low ticket commission, and you will also get high ticket commission up to 50% on 1997. That is almost $1,000 commission. That is pretty very awesome. You just simply to replace your clickbait ID. Then you are rock to roll, and also you will get to and you will start to promote this offer. So this is the end of this product, and I will have more affiliate program. You can make recurring income and high ticket commission in the part 2. So I will release the video and later. So don't forget. Thank you for your to watch my video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will have more and more marketing tips as well as some new product launch about to be revealed in the future. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and support and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your watching.